Why open floor plans aren't for everyone. Open floor plans have become one of the most popular design trends in modern homes. They promise spaciousness, better natural light, and a sense of connection between living areas. From real estate listings to home makeover shows, open layouts are often portrayed as the ultimate upgrade. But here's the truth. Open floor plans aren't for everyone. Today on Viana Home, we're going to explore why this popular design choice may not be the perfect fit for every lifestyle, family, or home. First, let's talk about noise. In an open floor plan, sound travels freely. The clatter of dishes in the kitchen, the TV in the living room, and conversations happening all at once can quickly become overwhelming. If you work from home, have kids doing homework, or simply value quiet moments, an open layout can make it hard to focus or relax. What feels lively at first may eventually feel chaotic. Next is the lack of privacy. Open floor plans remove walls, but they also remove personal boundaries. There's no easy way to step away from activity or create a quiet corner without everyone seeing or hearing you. For families with multiple generations, roommates, or guests staying over, this can be a real challenge. Privacy isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for many households. Another major downside is limited furniture placement flexibility. Without walls to define spaces, arranging furniture becomes tricky. You may struggle to create clear zones for dining, relaxing, or working. Large open areas often require larger furniture pieces, which can be expensive and harder to replace. And once everything is arranged, changing the layout later isn't always easy. Now, let's talk about energy efficiency. Heating and cooling in open floor plan can be costly. Without walls to contain air, your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This often leads to higher energy bills, especially in extreme climates. What looks open and airy can quietly become inefficient and expensive over time. Another issue many homeowners don't expect is mess visibility. In an open floor plan, there's nowhere to hide clutter. A messy kitchen is instantly visible from the living and dining areas. If you enjoy cooking but don't always have time to clean immediately, this can create constant visual stress. For people who prefer a tidy environment, open layouts demand more frequent cleaning and organization. Open floor plans can also be challenging for interior design consistency. Since all areas are visually connected, every design choice needs to flow together. Colors, materials, lighting, and decor must be carefully coordinated. This limits creativity for those who enjoy mixing styles or experimenting with bold design choices in different rooms. And let's not forget changing lifestyles. What works for a young couple may not work years later when children arrive, or when work from home becomes permanent. As life evolves, the need for separate rooms, offices, study areas, or quiet retreats often increases. Open floor plans don't always adapt well to these changes. None of this means open floor plans are bad. They can be beautiful, functional, and perfect for entertaining or social living. But the key is understanding that good design is personal. The best home layout is one that supports how you live, not just what looks good on social media or television. At Viana Home, we believe that thoughtful home design starts with knowing your needs, your habits, and your future plans. Whether your home is open, semi-open, or fully divided, the right design is the one that makes you feel comfortable, calm, and truly at home. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights on smart home design, layout tips, and interior inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to Viana Home. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join us as we explore beautiful homes designed for real life. See you in the next video.